welcome back to Hollywood Mechanical. And last week you would have seen me, sorry about my finger across the camera again. Last week you would have seen me at a few jobs there on the old Landrover Freelander. I'll just have a quick look at the MOT sheet and you can see most of So the seatbelt webbing you'll see in this video. You'll see I put the webbing on it. I put a new brake pipe on it. The side repeater was a bulb. Other registration lamp bulb, dip beam bulb, fuel tank strap, made one for it. I think I did a short video there the other day. You seen us welding the back exhaust on them. We also welded a strap up for it as well. Tractor end I also did. And brake pipe, I completely replaced the whole lot of it. So as you can see, there's no lights on there. Everything's all good. Goes down the side here and goes into that hole. Because there's a big thing in it there at the moment. It's tied, you see. Has to go on the bottom down here, which shouldn't be all the way undone. Tangled there just now, dude. Remember rightly. Let's just get this in there like that. This was already broken, that's probably why. And it bolts. Put it in. Look at that bolt. You can keep that tight there just now. This is a 17mm bolt. Try not to let it back, eh? Sorry. Oh, it's up off the floor. Yeah, that's fine. So I can put that back in myself. Just make sure it sits in that groove. probably what made it free, yeah.
Oh, the plastic.
That's it. I'll screw all them back in a minute, but I need to put that back in first. We twist it, because if we are, I'll have to twist it round again. Yeah. This is a big T50. I need to open the door. Bloody Landrovers. Don't need that. We put enough thread on it. Has a T50 as well. Tight. Now don't you guys do this. Don't anybody else. Go stick a Torx in it. I'm doing that because I can. I've been around doing things long enough to know. Right. Oh. Right, well I don't think you need to see any more of that. It's just a couple of these smaller T-sockets or bolts. One of them down there. Rightly. Right. Someone put that one in there. Huh? I'll do. Right, so mine leaves a thumbs up. In this video you'll see the seatbelt getting fitted. There's a new seatbelt in it and it's ready to go back to the MOT. Unfortunately, my MOT tester can't do it today because he's on his own and he's too many vehicles in, but it'll be done tomorrow and hopefully it'll be a pass. So if you like this video, leave us a like.